This anniversary edition, Weller WE1010BLACK Soldering Station delivers strong heating performance that helps complete electronics work noticeably faster than many entry-level stations. Its digital controller with clear display and simple front panel buttons makes setting and holding precise temperatures straightforward, even during long sessions. The slim, pen-style iron with a comfortable grip and heat-resistant silicone cable feels well-balanced in the hand, reducing fatigue during detailed soldering tasks. Quick, tool-free tip changes and compatibility with the widely available Weller ET series tips make it easy to switch between fine detail and heavier joints while keeping running costs reasonable. Excellent temperature stability that meets demanding professional standards helps protect sensitive components and produces consistently clean, reliable solder joints. Safety and convenience features like ESD safe design, automatic temperature reduction when idle, and optional password protection make this station well suited to both professional benches and serious hobby workspaces.